Hello guys, this is Masood Danish, personal trainer. So in this video, I would like to inform you about the muscle gain, hypertrophy, how you can gain your muscles. So the first reason is your workout, that's why you couldn't increase your muscle mass or hypertrophy. What's the workout? Why maybe you are using same routines, you are doing workout on same routines, no more progression. So progression is very important. Let me, if you know that, like for chest workout, you are doing chest press, okay? Then you do some incline, decline, straight bench press, then use flies or pull over, some full exercises, okay? When you do maybe this continue 2-3 months, your body will adopt this exercise as simple, okay? So maybe you are doing same weight and 10 reps, between you have some rest. So now, how you can go more, improve and you can go next level? For that, you have to use different systems to shock the muscle. So different system means you should use drop sets, supersets, 10 RM, 6 RM. They have different system. When you will apply this system on your body, so you will start gaining again your muscle. The first thing is training. Training is very important. You have to watch your training, what you are doing. You have to change for progression, for more results. Other things, diet, nutrition is very important, because in the muscle is nothing. There's only protein in the muscles. The protein building your muscles. If do you think I do maybe 3 hours gym, I can build muscle? No, it's not possible. How you can build muscle? You need different training and different system to apply your muscle fiber. You should get the damage your muscle fiber to rebuild again. How you will get this damage your muscle fiber? How you can? Different programs. Because if you do same exercise every day, this means your body adopt that. So you will nothing will have any happen on your muscle fiber. If you will not have any muscle fiber damaging, so you cannot rebuild. That means you are just doing like exercise. You want to be fit yourself, blood circulation. For that is okay, that exercise. But if you want to rebuild, if you want to build, if you want hypertrophy, you want big muscle, then you have to apply on system on your body system. You have to apply system on your body to go for next level, to shock the body. That's very important. The other things, second point is protein. So protein is very important. Without protein, you never have big muscles, because the muscle building by protein and recovering. When a lot of people, they do workout and they will not have enough protein, they will lose the muscles. Why? Because you did good workout, like you use some system, you damage your muscle fiber. So how your muscle fiber will recover without protein is nothing possible. That's why you have to take enough protein to recover your body, your muscle, so you can have good result. This means you can have hypertrophy, you can build more muscles. So subscribe my channel. For next video, I will let you know about more information, how to apply for system on your body and how to use nutrition. You need some multivitamins, you need some supplements. I will inform you about more supplements, which supplement you can take to gain your more muscles. Okay, see you, bye.